Hey, what's up everybody? Today we've got a major drop from Samsung, the Galaxy Z TriFold. This isn't just another foldable. This thing folds twice and brings a massive display and powerhouse specs. Let's break down what makes this thing wild. Imagine a device that feels like a phone when folded, but turns into a tablet-sized powerhouse when you unfold it. For creators, multitaskers, and heavy users, this could be the closest thing to carrying a tablet and phone in one pocket. The TriFold unfolds twice into a 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main screen. When folded, there's a 6.5-inch cover display so you can still use it like a normal phone. Both displays support up to 120 Hz refresh rate, with peak brightness hitting 2,600 nits on the cover screen and 1,600 nits on the main screen. It runs on a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The rear camera system includes a 200-megapixel wide camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. The front cameras are 10 megapixels each. Powering all of this is a 5,600 mAh 3-cell battery with 45-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. The 10-inch display can act like 3 portrait-style app windows at once, making multitasking super easy. It also supports standalone Samsung DeX, letting you plug in a keyboard, mouse, or monitor and use it like a mini laptop. With the huge display, strong cameras, and AI features, it's built for creators and productivity. When folded, it stays surprisingly pocketable. The hinge system is refined with dual-rail engineering to balance the weight and protect the inner screen. The frame uses armor aluminum, titanium in key hinge areas, and reinforced polymer on the back for durability. The Galaxy Z TriFold launches first in Korea on December 12, 2025, followed by a global release in early 2026. Buyers also get a 6-month trial of Google AI Pro and a 50% discount on one display repair. If you multitask hard or create content, this device could be a serious game changer. It's futuristic, powerful, and bold. Definitely one of Samsung's most ambitious devices yet. So that's the Galaxy Z TriFold. What do you think? Is this the future of phones? Drop your thoughts below, hit like, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.